In this video, we're going to look at centrifugal pump designs and classifications. We're going to look at how you can classify the centrifugal pump based upon the impeller used, the flow type, the support given to the impeller, the suction type, and the stage type. Enclosed type impellers are ideally suited for pumping fluids with a small amount of suspended bodies. This would include fresh water or seawater. Centrifugal pumps are categorized based upon three flow types. These are radial, axial, and mixed. Radial flow centrifugal pumps are the most common of the three used in industrial applications. The example we're looking at now is a multistage centrifugal pump. The pump consists of 5 impellers and is thus classified as a 5-stage centrifugal pump. We can see that the pump that we're looking at now is an overhung, radial flow, single stage, single suction, fully enclosed centrifugal pump.